In this video, we're going to figure out if a number sentence, a multiplication number sentence, is true or false. So if we have a sentence here, is the number sentence true or false? So it's asking, is 3 times 5 the same as 2 times 2? So we just need to figure out what it's asking. So on the left, we have 3 times 5, which equals 15. So this is the left-hand side of the equation, and this is the right-hand side of the equation. On the right, we have 2 times 2, which equals 4. So if we put that in, so 15 on the left, 4 on the right of the equal sign, we can see that 15 does not equal 4. So is the number sentence true or false? So we know that this is false. So this is false. They're not equal.